So I took out the big guy today. Unfortunately, I forgot to like fix these fins. I keep blowing them out the shore brake. Great shore brake board. Great fins. These are the soft ones. It works. I mean, when it's small, but ideally you want these ones. Hard FCS fins. So yeah, these boots, they feel like I'm walking on a cloud right now. They're awesome. I'm sure they're going to be super warm. Surface small, a little crowded. I'm trying out Caesar's Collier. Is that how you say it? Let's see how it goes. Just remember that board only has 2 fins. What's up, guys? I just got home and Carly is back, my dog Carly, and she has her new puppies here. So let's go check out those puppies, and yeah, I'm psyched to see them.
So there's 3 of these little party ones, I call these guys.
Oh, Carly, I love them. They look so cute. Are you very proud mother? Thanks for showing me them. Oh, yeah. So Lottie, her daughter from another litter, hasn't seen the puppies yet. If you think about it, most puppies never get to see the puppies from another litter, and they're all siblings.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you haven't seen them yet, but I'm sure you can smell something. Do you smell that? Oh yeah, I smell it too. Here. Good girl. You're being such a good girl. So the time has come. We were waiting for Carly to give the cue that she wants Lottie to see the puppies, and that seems to be what is happening. She kept coming over and barking. We tried all the other things, and it seems to be that she wants her daughter to meet her younger siblings.
Oh yeah, that would be good. Is that good lighting?
Yeah, you can maybe tone it down a little bit.
Well, guess what? We can do that.
Yeah, that's fine. So here we go.
You want Lottie to meet your puppies? Lottie?
Lottie's smelling all around.
Come on, Carly. Go back in there with your puppies.
She doesn't even know what to make of it. I can't get her reaction. Lottie, what do you think? What is that? Those are puppies. They're baby dogs.
It's like, I have no idea. I don't get it. What's going on there?
This will be a good experience because one day you're going to have your own puppies.
Throw Carly.
You think, Carly? You're a proud mama.
Lottie's like, I don't know what the big fuss is here. This is a good spot for her because she can see them, but then she
What do you think, Carly? Those that aren't like, here, unless you want to be in here. Come here. There's a surprise outside. Okay, guys, we got some snow. I gotta go clean my car off, and hopefully we'll get to surf. It's a little icy. Heavy breakfast this morning. Got braised pork and tofu, preserved mustard greens, and some chili oil and rice. Some black tea with the French press. Try not to use tea bags. And dog cup. When it's really cold like this, I always try to eat before the session. So I feel like if at any point you get like really cold before you surf, it's just, you're gonna be so much colder out there. I was watching these documentary on this group of people that live in Siberia and like what they eat like on a daily basis. It's pretty interesting, like how heavy and rich the food they eat is. Always takes 1,000 times longer to get ready than you think. So I'm finally out here, and let's try to get some surf. Oh, walking through the tundra right now. Whew. Yeah, I can't talk, my lips are like frozen. Beautiful conditions out there, really cold. A lot of good waves. I just didn't get the good waves. It just wasn't happening this session, but I had a good time. I feel exhilarated and like, I don't know, the cold is crazy. this out. Icicles on the cabana, or whatever you call this thing. Yo, this is crazy. It's like I'm on Mars or something. Alien landscape. Alright guys, I'm gonna check the surf real quick. I think it's pretty much flat. It's like hoping I can get a second session, but honestly, it's so cold. I'm usually like super psyched for the second session. Today it's just been so brutally cold. I only had time to hang my wetsuit outside of my car. So, it's like still soaking wet, like semi-frozen probably. But it looks like the surf has gone flat. Just wait for a set. Well, there's definitely still a wave. I mean, that was kind of sick. I don't know. It's just right on the beach. I'm gonna have more fun skimming probably. So it's sick. Today I actually saw this person when I was surfing in the morning. I saw this person cross-country skiing on the beach. I was like, yo, that's so sick. I would love to cross-country ski on the beach, but this is kind of what we're doing anyway. Cross-country skimming. Oh, imagine I got a pole. I could do like poles and like cross-country skim. Dude, maybe with a kite. Sick. It's like the icier spots. Gotta kind of pack it down. The snow is so deep. Playing a lot about Jersey sometimes, and it can be annoying that there's just so many extremes here. It's either really hot, or really cold, or really windy, or lots of thunderstorms. But all the extremes here, you get like extreme diversity and like extreme natural beauty in ways that you wouldn't normally think about it. Like snow on the beach in this like Mars landscape, or like sometimes in the winter the water will be like super cold, it'll be super blue. I don't know. It's pretty sick. It's definitely a vibe. I can see why people fall in love with this place. Oh, yellow snow! I just stepped in poop. Alright, let's look at Carly's litter today. They're definitely starting to move around a lot more than they were the last couple days. There's a couple smaller ones and a couple fatter ones, but we keep rotating them as they feed. But yeah, they're like almost walking. Very, very cute. And our little sister, or the big sister, I'm sorry. Their big sister is being very good. And she's just watching them and sniffing them. So that's good. And she's very interested. Because one day she's going to be a mama too. So she has to learn a little bit about them. She's just smelling their butts. What do you think, Lottie?
This is a funny expedition.
What do you think, Lottie? Lottie was out playing in the snow today, just like me. So when they start to walk, they're kind of like this, and then they get strong, and then they can jump like this one, almost as high as your head, onto tables and things. It's amazing.
Crazy.
It's amazing.